So I decided to do a test run before actually installing it on this portable porch that we have that's next to our camper. And putting it together was actually pretty easy as far as, you just kind of follow the instructions. There's certain bolts, these go in wood, and then these are for concrete. You do have 3 spindles. And as I was trying to get this to work for these stairs, now granted, they're kind of steep, I was only able to use 2 of the spindles. But when I went and set it up on our stairs, I'm going to have to actually add filler in there to actually be able to bolt this down. But I do think, based upon what they had here on this railing, this is actually going to work really nice. Overall, it was really easy to put together. You just have a bolt here and a bolt here. These just slide into place, and then you can put those spindles, and you've got spots for 4. So you can kind of play around with it. And then there was a bolt here as well. It is flexible, so you do have some flexibility there depending on how your stair length is. These are all the pieces when you unpack the box. So you've got your straight pieces, spindles, legs, and then this is a set of 2. So we have another set here that we can install once we rebuild the stairs.